Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for clicking on the video. I'm on the way to AutoZone to buy some carpet, like speaker carpet, because today I want to make a rear seat delete for my Mustang. Hopefully they have the carpet here. If not, I'll go check O'Reilly's. You guys just parked. So here's what we're gonna do today. I want to take the seats out, bottom and top, and then I'm gonna make a template out of cardboard to pretty much cover up this hole, and then I'm gonna trace it onto some wood that I have, and then put carpet similar to this one right here. Let's see if AutoZone has some. Esta, ¿verdad? Thank you, bro. Alright, they got some here. Pretty nice, pretty nice. It's black. How much is it? How much material? 20, 36 by 72. It should be enough. Got another one over here, let's see. Oh, no, that's rubber. Damn, this is the only one they got. 36 by 72. How much is that? How long is that? Alright, let's go get a tape measure and see how much I can see. So my boy right here that works at AutoZone, he wants me to do a burnout. Traction off. Where is that though? Off, bro, because my fucking phone shut off. The camera stopped recording when I was burning out because I fucking connected my phone to the, oh my god, to the stereo right here. I'm pissed. Shit. Let's go get this rear seat delete going. Fuck it. Step one's gonna be take out the seats. So let's take those motherfuckers out. Was harder than I thought. I stripped one of the bolts. Damn, this thing gave me a hard time. But it's three. It's this one. We'll put it back. This one. We'll keep that in mind when we're putting it back together. This one, center one. Which was the one that gave me the hardest time ever. But it's out. Now what we're gonna do now is use some cardboard, take measurements here. Let me show you guys. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna measure 42 inches width by 23. 42 by 23. Okay. 42 by 23. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna measure it on the cardboard. Alright, so we're back inside the car now. Quarters, we're gonna cut out a piece. Let me get the blade real quick. Based on what you think. Like that one right there. I cut too much here, but now what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this side a bit. Guys, here's what we got going on so far. As you can see, it's pretty flat, flush against the back. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some more cardboard to the sides here and that side. I already cut myself. All right, guys. So I have my template-ish now, and I have this piece of wood. I'm not sure what you call it, but it was like $10 at Home Depot. And then I'm gonna cut it out, and then go based off. Let me cut it out first, and then here's what we got. I'm about to cut it out. Wow, you guys, I'm fucking proud. Look how perfect that fit. Besides that little corner over there. I'll trim that out right now, but wow. Or let me see, let me try to level it out. This is where I'm gonna be cutting a little bit off. Both sides. Let me actually curve those, guys. This video is gonna be a little weird. I don't have anybody to help me record, but you guys get the point here. Wow, that looks nice. Now to get the bottom piece, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pretty much use the same template. I'm just gonna add pieces of cardboard to the side and that side also. It's already perfectly with the edge here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Pretty much, guys, that's what it's gonna be. I already added the sides. I wanted to stay real flush with the corners. Go ahead, take it out where we're at with our tracing. Let's go ahead and cut this. Here's our bottom piece. For those of you wondering what I'm using to cut it, it's this Ryobi jigsaw or whatever you call it. Let's go test it out on the vehicle. So far, so good. Almost sits flush. I just need to cut that side a little, or this side. No, that side actually. And then cut around these corners here a little bit. Let me grab my marker. Wait, should I? Nah, let me take that bolt off. Just a little bit here. And at the corner there. That should be it. Let's pull it back out. Alright, guys, so we cut out what we needed on the sides. Now I'm noticing that I need to cut a bit here and a bit there. So let's go ahead and get the line going. Straight there. Line going here. Let's go ahead and cut this back out. And then let's try it again. It looks good as hell so far. You guys can see there. Oh, perfection, guys. Oh my god, that looks so good. And it's literally like holding itself in. Check it out, guys, check it out. Let's go ahead and start the carpet process. For the sticking the carpet, we're gonna use this Super 77 spray that I've been having around, laying around. And then use this custom mats carpet that I bought at AutoZone. We'll put you guys on a time lapse of me. Go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on right there. That pretty much sums up how to mask it up with the carpet, but I did run out of carpet. I'm not gonna have enough for the top piece, so I'm gonna have to go get some more carpet right now. That's it. Let it dry for a bit. Breath, guys, but here's the bottom piece. I do need to re-vacuum it again. Damn, that fits perfect. Check it out. All right, guys, so I'm en route to another AutoZone. The AutoZone I always go to ran out of the carpet. I bought the last one earlier for the bottom piece, but I didn't realize that I was gonna need more for the top piece. So I'm en route to another AutoZone to pick it up. I already paid for it, $10. So let's go pick this up, guys. So far, what I've invested into this rear seat delete is about $30. That does not include the saw. That does not include the glue from 3M that I bought a long time ago. I already had that laying around. So if you don't have the glue, you're gonna spend about 40 bucks. And if you don't have a saw, a jigsaw, you might have to go buy one, or you could just use like a hand saw. But so far, $40 on the materials. Let's go inside. We got the carpet, guys. We got the carpet. There it is. So I'm gonna go home and wrap the top piece, and then I'll show you guys the finished product, guys. I'm not gonna show you guys me wrapping that thing again because you guys already know how to wrap it. Oh my god, this is perfect. Guys, this is amazing. I'm gonna put something there to hold it up, but oh Jesus Lord. Woo! There we go, guys. There we go, guys. My pride and joy for the day. I am extremely proud of myself, guys. I came up with this idea at the car wash today, and look what the results are now. Oh my god! Thank you guys again for tuning in on the channel. If you guys like what you guys saw, go ahead and drop a like on the video, subscribe if you haven't, comment, and go ahead and give this one a shot, guys. Try it yourselves. I have freaking wood in my nose. I'm really happy, guys. Look at this thing. It looks OEM. Like, damn. Thank you guys again. If you guys haven't, like, comment, subscribe. Also check out my Instagram, Toledo FTW. TOLEDO FTW. Thank you guys. Catch you guys on the next one.